Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company tab for you. 2008 Caterpillar 320BL track excavator. Unit is in very good condition, 8,922 hours. This belongs to a local customer of ours. We are selling a few pieces for him. I don't do that kind of work, but for him we are doing this. This is a unique machine. It is double plumbed on the boom. It actually has a Caterpillar brand 90-inch tilting cleanup bucket on it, hydraulic pin grabber, but the machine is also plumbed for standard auxiliary controls and then an additional implement plumbing such as for that tilting bucket, all on a separate joystick. Pretty unique setup. Hydraulic pin grabber on the machine. It is a Caterpillar hydraulic pin grabber. Pin grabber on this is going to be a B linkage setup, 318, 320s, and again all hydraulic pin grabber. Bucket is a Caterpillar brand. It does have a back scraper on it. The Caterpillar part number is going to be, I believe, a 310115Z, serial number 8U2137. Twin cylinder setup, very nice, heavy duty bucket. You can see it has the bracing in the centers of the bucket. Cutting edge shows virtually nowhere. Again, hydraulic pin grabber. It is double plumbed on the boom. Unit is again in nice shape. It's very dry. Undercarriage is going to be estimated to be 85 to 90%. 32-inch pads. Chains are all Cat brand chains. You can see how far the idlers are still in the track frame. Hardly have any stretch in them at all. That's why I'm saying they're wear, I should say. Very, very good undercarriage on this tractor. Sprockets again, 75 to 85% on those. Inside the panels, unit is clean. It has just had a recent service done. Coated with all marks. No oil leaks on the machine that we have found. Sheet metal is very straight. Even up in the toolbox area, everything there is very clean, straight. Down the side of the machine, very again clean and straight. Undercarriage matches both sides, again 32-inch pads. Pattern changer. We'll go ahead here and run around and we'll show you inside the cab. You can see right there how handy that tilting bucket would be if you had a project. Oh my goodness. This machine does not come with a digging bucket. That tilting bucket is going to be sold optional to the machine. It is not coming with the machine. See the track's not sagging. I mean, really a nice tight machine. thing there would be worth its weight in gold, what you could do with that tilting bucket. Good luck trying to get one of those right now. Those virtually don't exist, but you can even find it. We'll go ahead here and take you up in the cab, show you inside. Door is extremely good. There's no rust or rot in this door. Actually, no rust or rot in the whole machine itself. Very clean that way. Take you up in here. Bear with me 1 second. Again, controls, straight line travel pedal. One little tear there in the back seat. Does have an air ride seat. Cab, heat, air, all work. AM, FM radio. Auto idle 2-speed for your coupler. Plumbing, main auxiliary circuit's going to be here on this rocker switch, and then, which we'll engage this here real quick and show you, your secondary rocker switch right here is running your tilt bucket. Pretty uncustomary to see that. That would have been a lot of money from Caterpillar to have that put on, and this unit has it. Again, very good, clean machine. 8,922 hours. So, if you have any questions on this 2008 Caterpillar 320DL, please give us a call. Again, the unit is going to be sold with no bucket. The tilting bucket will be sold optional, and we'll price it accordingly. Basically, the machine will reflect the price. Without the bucket will be extra. You can talk to the owner. If you do need a trenching bucket for this, he probably will have something he'd sell you. But this particular machine was set up with this grading bucket, and that is how it's going to be sold at this time. Any questions, 814-658-3066. We will put you right in touch with the owner and help you out with the sale. Again, any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.